There are thousands of these online stores. If you want yours to be successful, it's going to have to be differentiated. Clearly, you cannot talk about e-commerce without mentioning the 800-pound gorilla or elephant or whatever you want to call Amazon in the room, but Amazon is real and exists, and they have also really changed e-commerce, right? They launched 2-day shipping years ago, and now that is just a standard across all sites. They have their Prime membership, which is really just a loyalty membership, and that also pretty standard across all sites. Pretty much anything Amazon does, consumers get really used to and often really like, and you see that kind of trickle down into all of the DNVBs and the legacy brands that exist out there. On top of that, Amazon has become the commodity market. So if you need to buy toilet paper and you want to do it online, Amazon's a really great place for that. Or razors, or gosh, whatever else. There's studies out there that show parents in particular shop on Amazon and kind of only Amazon just because of the convenience factor of it, right? It gets to you quickly. You can buy everything that you need there. For you though, as a brand, what that ultimately means is that you do have to be very particular about the product that you sell and how you build community around that product. Because why would somebody go shop from you or buy from you when they could just go to Amazon, where honestly it's probably going to be cheaper and the shipping's probably going to be faster? Now, there are strategies around how to get them to come to your site over going to Amazon. A lot of that is about content, a lot of that is about experience, and a lot of that is about competitive research to understand what is happening in the market right now and how you can build a platform that's going to resonate with customers. So let's walk through some of the newer DNVB brands so you can get a little bit of a feel of kind of what those look like and who some of those are. So first and foremost, let's go to one of my favorite new ones. So this is Bon Bon Bon. They sell, as you may imagine, bonbons online and in customized boxes. You can even go to their store and make bonbons with them, which is kind of this newer trait of a lot of the new DNVBs, in that there is an online experience, yes, but also a really customized offline experience where consumers can get hands-on, because that's part of the community building process. And then there are other ones like Live Lark here, which I actually first found them and saw them in a Southwest magazine on a flight. They took out a full page ad and I was like, what is that? That is another fun trend, or another trend that you see a lot of DNVBs doing, is around launch. They will pull out a full page ad in something like Southwest magazine, or if you live in New York City, you've often seen these probably on the L train, all of the new brands that are lined in advertisements there. But this is Live Lark, and their website is just fun and cool, right? It kind of comes in as you scroll through and down. They have the drink with purpose, which is so great. That's super important for helping to build community, and you see tons of DNVB brands doing this. I mean, think of Tom's. They were probably one of the original ones that really dove into buy our product and it has a purpose. So not uncommon for these new DNVB brands. One of the big differences between these DNVBs and maybe what you might see folks doing over on Amazon is that you have these small little touches that help to build community. So like that offline experience that Bon 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 is doing, or like the giving back to the community and the world experience that Lark is promoting on their site. These reasons, these little small giveaways to audiences that encourage them to come shop here at this brand's site rather than necessarily going over to Amazon and buying there. So the rest of the course is not going to just be me up here telling you about all the e-commerce trends or really diving into shipping or logistics. Instead, I'm going to be teaching you how to find the right kind of product to sell, how to make sure that it's competitive in market, and how to do research all on your own and find DNV brands like these or some of the legacy brands, look at their sites, understand what they are doing to try to get customers to their site instead of to Amazon, or what they are doing to differentiate themselves from their competitors so that you can do the exact same thing. All right, so let's get started with the very first lesson, the very first step in this process, finding your product niche.